In the digital age, where Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are redefining wealth, ensuring the fruits of your investment reach the right hands after you're gone is paramount. What if you passed away suddenly, and no one in your family knew you had crypto investments or how to access them? How would they get into your accounts? Do they know your passwords? How about two-factor authentication? If you're nearing retirement or already enjoying it, understanding how to inherit Bitcoin could significantly impact your loved one's ability to live comfortably. Imagine a future where your investment in Bitcoin, which experts predict could surge to unprecedented values, becomes a cornerstone of your financial legacy. However, without the right preparations, this potential fortune might as well be lost in the digital ether. First and foremost, the foundation of safeguarding your digital assets begins with a will. Just as with any other asset, explicitly detailing the distribution of your property and digital fortunes ensures clarity and security for your heirs. Adding to the importance of having a will, it's crucial to consider how digital assets like Bitcoin differ from traditional assets. While your physical assets can be easily identified, digital assets require that you leave clear instructions on how to access them. Including a detailed digital asset clause in your will can ensure that your executor knows your own cryptocurrencies and understands how to handle them. This clause should detail the types of digital assets you own without disclosing sensitive access information, which should be stored securely elsewhere. To enhance your will further, consider including instructions for digital memorabilia or tokens you own alongside cryptocurrencies. This ensures all digital assets, not just currencies, are accounted for and properly managed according to your wishes. Yet, the realm of digital currencies introduces unique challenges, notably in recording and securing your crypto wallet details. Unlike traditional bank accounts, access to cryptocurrencies hinges on crucial information like seed phrases and passwords. Consider securely documenting these details in a manner that balances safety with accessibility for those you trust. Beyond the basics of recording your wallet's seed phrases and passwords, consider implementing a multi-signature wallet setup. This setup requires multiple keys to authorize a transaction, adding an extra layer of security. Informing your heirs about the existence and location of these keys, without compromising their security in your lifetime, is essential. Additionally, using a tamper-evident bag to store physical copies of your credentials can deter unauthorized access while signaling to your heirs if the information has been compromised. It's also wise to periodically review and update your recorded wallet details to reflect any changes, such as wallet migrations or updates to security protocols, ensuring your information remains current and accessible. Moving on, the structure of ownership plays a critical role. Many opt for a trust or LLC to navigate the complexities of digital asset inheritance. This strategy not only shields your assets from potential estate taxes and liabilities, but also streamlines the transfer process, bypassing the cumbersome probate proceedings. When setting up a trust or LLC for your crypto assets, it's beneficial to specifically design it to handle the unique nature of cryptocurrencies. This includes provisions for managing the assets according to the fluctuating landscape of blockchain technology and crypto markets. Furthermore, incorporating language that allows the trust or LLC to adapt to future changes in laws governing digital assets will ensure its longevity and relevance. This foresight can protect your assets from future regulatory changes and ensure they remain a valuable part of your estate. Consider the implications of international laws if your crypto assets are held in exchanges or wallets based in different countries. Your trust or LLC should have provisions that address cross-border legal complexities. The digital nature of cryptocurrencies also demands a re-evaluation of who has access. Choosing executors or trustees that understand crypto is vital. Your digital assets require someone who not only grasps the concept of cryptocurrency, but also knows the intricacies of managing and transferring it posthumously. Elaborating on who should have access, it's imperative to educate potential executors or trustees about the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies. They should understand the importance of timely decisions in managing these assets, as market conditions can change rapidly. Providing them with resources or contacts within the cryptocurrency community can aid in their decision-making. In addition to choosing someone knowledgeable about cryptocurrencies, it's wise to select an individual who is tech-savvy and understands the security risks associated with digital assets. This person should be familiar with the concept of hardware wallets, the importance of keeping software updated to protect against hacks, and the intricacies of blockchain technology. Their ability to navigate the digital world securely and efficiently will be crucial in managing and transferring your digital legacy. Consider also establishing a protocol for digital asset management that includes steps to take in various market conditions. Incorporate a fail-safe procedure in case the primary individual granted access is unable to fulfill their duties, ensuring a secondary, equally informed person can take over without delay. It might be beneficial to have periodic consultations with your chosen executors or trustees about the latest developments in cryptocurrency management and security to keep them informed and prepared. Meanwhile, the constantly evolving landscape of cryptocurrency necessitates an awareness of the limits on your crypto accounts. Traditional estate planning tools may not always align with the digital world's demands, making it crucial to stay informed about the available options for designating beneficiaries directly within your crypto accounts. In addition to choosing someone knowledgeable about cryptocurrencies, it's wise to select an individual who is tech-savvy and understands the security risks associated with digital assets. This person should be familiar with the concept of hardware wallets, the importance of keeping software updated to protect against hacks, and the intricacies of blockchain technology. Their ability to navigate the digital world securely and efficiently will be crucial in managing and transferring your digital legacy. Look into creating detailed instructions for heirs on how to deal with the potential deplatforming or service termination of crypto accounts, ensuring they have a plan to access assets under such circumstances. Lastly, the dynamism of life and the crypto market itself underscores the importance of keeping your estate plan up to date. Regular reviews and updates in response to life's milestones or market changes can prevent unforeseen complications, ensuring your digital legacy is preserved as intended. The importance of updating your estate plan cannot be overstated, especially with the rapid pace of technological advancements in cryptocurrency. Incorporating a digital asset inventory that includes not only your wallets, but also any investments in crypto startups, NFTs, and other blockchain-based assets can provide a comprehensive overview for your heirs. Regularly revisiting and revising your plan to include new digital assets and the deletion of those you no longer own ensures that your digital legacy is accurately reflected and protected. Incorporate a digital ledger of transactions and significant events related to your crypto assets, helping executors trace the history and intentions behind your investments for better management after your passing. Ensuring your Bitcoin and crypto assets are rightfully inherited requires thoughtful planning and a deep understanding of the digital landscape. By taking the steps outlined today, you can safeguard your digital legacy and provide for your heirs' future. Just think about how devastating it could be to your loved ones if they weren't able to benefit from your investment success. Does it move you to take action right now? If you found this guide helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the Smart Retiree for more insights on making the most of your retirement. Your legacy is worth the effort, and we're here to help every step of the way.